Today we're going to fix the starter motor on this Golf GTI. And this is the second part of this video. So, if you're wondering how the car's a bit higher this time, there's a jack and two stands underneath. I need to disconnect these wires and these wires. But first we need to disconnect the battery. That nut off, that will just come off. The next bit is easier from underneath. From underneath, we've taken this bracket off and the polystyrene light support. We'll take off this belt until underneath. Enough. And now I'm picking up the whole frame. With all these taken off, the starter motor should just come off. That's the starter motor.